In the heart of Belgaum, where compassion meets expertise, there stands a name synonymous with orthopedic excellence, Dr. Ashok Sampagar. With over 15 years of dedicated service, Dr. Sampagar is revered as one of the finest orthopedic and joint replacement surgeons in the city. Belgaum Hospital, near Railway 3rd Gate, Belgaum, is not just a hospital, it's a sanctuary of healing under the able guidance of Dr. Sampagar. With a track record of over 200 successful orthopedic surgeries and 100 joint replacements, his hands have woven stories of triumph and mobility. The hospital, nestled near the landmark hotel, has been a pillar of the community since its establishment in 2001. Its walls echo with the whispers of recovery, thanks to the tireless efforts of its 250-member-strong team. Within its walls lie state-of-the-art facilities, a modular operation theater, a well-equipped ICU, and comforting wards, all designed to nurture the path to recovery. Patients find solace in the fact that Dr. Sampagar is not just a skilled surgeon, but a compassionate healer. He believes in patient-centric care and has set the fees at an affordable 300 Indian rupees, ensuring that quality healthcare is accessible to all. The hospital communicates in the languages of the land, Kannada, English, and Marathi, a testament to its dedication towards inclusivity. Operating from Monday to Saturday, from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., Dr. Sampagar ensures that every moment counts in the pursuit of health and well-being. The impact of Belgaum Hospital transcends borders. Patients from Belagavi, Hubli, Dharwad, Bagalkot, Gadag, and even Goa have found their way to its doors, drawn by the reputation of excellence. Discounts of up to 1,000 Indian rupees are offered, ensuring that financial constraints never stand in the way of health. The founder, the visionary behind Belgaum Hospital, is a stalwart in the field, an MBBS MD, whose vision of a patient-centric, excellence-driven institution has come to fruition. For appointments and inquiries, Dr. Ashok Sampagar can be reached at 9,886,736,079 or via email at ashok.samp@gmail.com. More information can be found on the website orthopedics.com. As the story of Belgaum Hospital continues to unfold, it leaves behind a trail of healed lives, a testament to the power of expertise, compassion, and a relentless pursuit of excellence.